This year was very tough and tricky because this pandemic is new to us. We became stressed and worried about the studies. My name is Lungelwa. I'm a teacher by Tembani Primary School, teaching grade 5 learners, maths and natural science and Xhosa. I started with Edufood at the beginning of this year.
I met Lungelwa at Tembani Primary School. It was great to find someone who had the same passion as I did, which was mathematics. It was something that joined us together, because that's all you need to give them is that compassion and love. And with Lungelwa, that was the striking feature.
I was helping my son and daughter at home with homeschooling. So after some time, the department sent to the principals that feeding scheme need to continue. As we know, some of the parents are not working. So I volunteered myself to go and help by the school. It wasn't only the learners who came to our school, also the community. We even helped the community by expecting the learners also to come and fetch the work. Sylvie sent me some activities on the phone or email. I have to go to school and download and make some packs. So it's what I was doing. Go to school and print, staple together, make them prepared for the next day.
She had been on the go from the beginning of lockdown, helping with the feeding and cooking and feeding at the schools. Her resilience was so great that she inspired me.
My mentor Sylvie is a good woman, and she is always willing to help. Okay, well, we have grouped the learners into 2 groups. So you have to first calm them down and then try to draw their attention to what you are going to do. My highlight is with the group 2 because it's my intervention group. They are doing well, very well this time because they are alone. They compete amongst each other. They can work, but it's because they were other learners that were brighter than them. Now they've got that courage to answer. Because as a teacher, it gave me time to bond with them. What I have learned with these past 7 months is that life can change anytime, and we must stay calm and be positive.